Alright, here we go. Huh, it's elephant poop. Ew.
Hey y'all, watch this! Daddy's belt
in the sun. We couldn't wait for night to come to hit that sand and play some rock and roll. While we were trying different things and we were smoking